Welcome back, friends. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. Today, I have Live Love Posh's Christmas release to share with you. There is a sticker book called Christmas Love. This is a deluxe sticker book. This has 60 pages in here. And then there is a sticker journaling kit, Merry and Bright. And then she's also releasing a bundle. And the bundle will include the Merry and Bright journaling kit along with Christmas planner inserts. There's 50 sheets in that. There is a cover, planner cover, so front and back cover, and then a set of 4 dividers. Now, I did not get the planner inserts or the covers, but I opted to get the Christmas Love sticker book and the journaling kits book. So I am so excited to share these items with you. These are actually releasing on Wednesday, October 15th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So I just want to get this like out to you. So I'm kind of like filming it right away. I just got the book. It's like the day before. So I don't think I'm going to have time to do a plan with me, but I do have some really fun plans with this. Now, I am an affiliate, so if you do decide to purchase anything, I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. You will find that down below in the description, along with a code that will save you 10%. As I mentioned, this is a 60-page sticker book. So this is like a deluxe sticker book. So this one is going to be selling for $40. Let's go ahead and take a look. If you are not familiar with Jessica's sticker books, she does a combination of both paper and clear, and you get 2 pages of each design. And generally it's like 1 paper, 1 clear, but she kind of switches things up a bit. All right, so we're starting off here with a very traditional Christmas, and I love the poinsettias, so beautiful. We've got this deer, the lamppost, very, very pretty. Okay, so this is paper, and then this one is also paper. And then Christmas scenes in here. Very, very pretty with some ornaments, some Christmas outfit here. And then there's a second page that is the same. All right, so that way you kind of get an idea. You get 2 pages of one design. So you have lots of stickers to work with. All right, this page is a dedicated to create your Christmas bucket list. So there's make holiday treats, wrap gifts, read holiday books, cookies and plus milk for Santa, donate toys, send letters to Santa, decorate for Christmas, decorate the tree, make holiday crafts, build a snowman, host Christmas dinner, Christmas shopping, make a wreath, enjoy hot cocoa, visit Santa, hanging the stockings, make a gingerbread house, Christmas cookie exchange. So cute. All right, so we're going to have 2 of those, and these are on paper. Okay, now we're moving into some clear sticker paper, which is always fun for like layering and creating collages. And we're sticking with like a peppermint theme here. And here's some cute little scenes, some peppermint treats. Oh, look at that little house. It's so cute. 2 pages of those. Now we're moving into a different design, and this one has like pinks in here. And then there's just got some like winter elements. Look at that little puppy. He's so cute. There's a couple of girls in here. Live, Love, Posh. That's cute. So those are your letters to Live, Love, Posh, what you want to order, right, for yourself for Christmas. And then here's the letters to Santa. So this is the duplicate. These are on paper. Got some florals to match that. And there's 2 of those. And this is really pretty. This pink Christmas. Got beautiful pink like scenes here and all of the elements. Shopping on the city there. Ooh, in Paris, because you can see the Eiffel Tower there. Beautiful. So these are clear. I really like these. These are so pretty. I'm loving the pink snowflakes. So there's are clear. These are also on clear, and then we have like a darker, like a burgundy wine color here. I really like that scene. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then there's some more in that same collection. And now we're on to a different collection, and this has got, again, like a soft pink with a gray in here. Very sweet. We've got like wrapping paper and all the different like elements for decorating, wrapping gifts. Look at the little gnome. Cute. And then here's some florals to coordinate. These look like poinsettias, but of course in the color palette that we saw in here, the gray, that pink, and then that like mustardy gold. Here we are back to pink. I love this. It's so pretty with the garland and the pink ornaments hanging off of it. And I really like that little carousel. And then here's the fireplace with the Christmas tree. Oh, so cute. And these are on clear sticker. Oh, look at that pink typewriter. I didn't see that the first time. And then this page is also part of that same collection. I like these corner ones. Those are always nice. And like I said, clear. All right, now we're into a blue and we're into a tropical Christmas and a like nautical type theme. We've got some sailboats in here. Ooh, what is this? Are these all? Yeah, these are all individual boxes. Also, that's cute. Something a little bit different. These are on paper. The decorated palm tree for Christmas and the surfboard. That's cute. Okay, now we're into a brighter pink and a navy. And it seems like it's a Christmas in the city, right? Because here's New York City. Pretty, the Nutcracker. A little bit more of like an abstract type of Christmas. Then here's a second page to that design. I like the train. How cute is that? And these ornaments. I like those. Those are really pretty. Okay, so we've got two of those, and those were on clear. Okay, now we're into a different collection here. We've got the string of lights. I don't know why this gives me like Grinch Christmas vibes. I guess just because of the way that the art is drawn, but it's very, very cute. A very bookish Christmas. Merry Bookmas. Very cute. And then, ooh, I really like this one. This is like a pink and green in here with the Christmas trees. And then these really interesting snowflakes, the sweaters. And then look at that pink house. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Very cute. And these are paper. And this is this is another part of that same collection. And we've got some like boxes here that we can use, which is nice. I like those presents. Very, very pretty. Okay, now we're into like this is a different one. Yeah, it's a different one, but it seems like it would go together because the greens are very similar, but it's actually a different design in through here. But like I said, it does have some similarities. This one's more of like a teal and red Christmas here with the poinsettias, and this is also all on paper. Okay, now we're moving into like the stripes here, the plaid, like the buffalo plaid almost. Merry Sleigh All Day. This is a cat. Like the artwork is just, it's very like simple. Very cute. Different. Okay, now we have quotes back here. Jolly vibes only. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest gifts are family and friends. That's so pretty. All the jingle ladies believe in the magic. Santa's favorite. Merry Christmas. Christmas Advent. Merry Christmas. Sleigh all day. Peace on earth. Snowflake wishes. 12 days of Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. This one says sleigh, right? Sleigh? Yeah, that makes sense, I think. December 25th. Christmas movies and chill. Cute. Hot cocoa, cozy blankets, Christmas movies. I love it. And then there are a couple of little elements on here. Oh, and I don't know if I read the Peace on Earth. Oh, it's Snowflake Wishes. I don't know if I skipped that. Those are all clear, and these are paper. Then we have another page here of quotes. Holiday cheer, 25. Cotton-headed ninny muggins. I don't understand that, so maybe that makes sense to somebody else, but I'm sorry, it doesn't to me. Noel, but first eggnog. Oh, that's cute. Merry mood activated. Merry Christmas. Slay the season. Fa la 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 la. Snuggle and watch it snow. Countdown to Christmas. Slay all day. Hello December. Nice-ish. Merry Christmas. Believe in a world full of Grinches. Be a Cindy Lou. That's cute. Comfy and cozy. Dear Santa, I can explain. Cute. Okay, so that was clear, and then this is paper. So you have those two options. Now we have our functional boxes checklist here. So these are like the smaller sizes in the color schemes that were in the book. There's 2 pages of those. And then we have some headings in here in that like light green, the pastel blue, and that pastel pink in larger size boxes. And dots on the side, and there's 2 pages of those. And then we have the other colors that we saw in here, that like wine color, the red, and then more of like kind of like a bluish green color here, and then of course the dots to coordinate. Oh, that's so cute. So many cute collections in this one. I love it. So it's got like all different kinds of designs in here if you like more traditional or if you want something that's a little bit like different, you know, like this one right here is definitely different. There was that one that was like very abstract art. I don't know which one my favorite. This one I really like. I think this is super, super cute. I love that pink house. And then, of course, I love traditional. And I love that they have that quote about the Grinches be Cindy Lou, because this really does remind me of the Grinch, right? Like that art and stuff that we saw. This is really cute. Very, very cute. So this one is Christmas Love. And this one is going to be available October 15th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So this video should be out for you to see. So that way you can decide whether you want to get this one or of course the Merry and Bright. We're going to look at this one now. This is the sticker journaling kit. Now this is a new type of sticker book that Live Love Posh has brought us. And I really, really like this concept because you're getting a lot of different things in here, no repeats in here. Everything in here is like one page design. It is smaller as well. All right, so we're going to start off here with very traditional red. You're going to see also like this is what we're going to be seeing in here. So keeping it very traditional, and I love it. We've got some candy canes and roses and some greenery in here. These are paper stickers. And now this is a different page. So we're not going to see the duplicates that we saw in her other sticker book. These are all going to be like individual. This is really pretty. I love that scene. How pretty is that? So cute. We've got some lights here. We've got a couple of girls, some stockings to hang up, and of course our Christmas planner down here. Very, very cute. Now, these are really pretty. These are like little collages that are already put together. They're like one sticker, and this one even has this little tag hanging from it. So it's really, really cute to add on your pages. You know, you can have your top border, you can add a bottom border, or however you choose to use these. And then look at the little tags in here. That is so cute with all the little elements to go with like decorating presents. I feel like you could decorate presents with this book. You could create Christmas cards. Christmas cards are so expensive. Like use your stickers and get creative, and you know, if you have like a fun like craft day with your family and just make some Christmas cards. I think that that would be such a fun idea and a really, really cute way to use these. You could probably get just like some blank, already made cards, you know, like from your local craft store, or even maybe the Dollar Tree might carry them, blank envelopes, and just decorate those and create your own cards. I think that that would be such a great way to use this book. And I love these long strip stickers. I want to do some waterfall tabs with these. I love these. These are so pretty. We have some alphabet stickers in here and all of the different patterns that we saw in the book. So that is really fun. And they're a little bit larger. So we have 2 pages of those and we're getting multiple letters of each. So I like that to have enough. All right, now we're heading in to the journaling paper pages. So the way that this is that we've got one print on one side and then the different images on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the one side first, and then I'm going to flip the book over and show you what is on the back side. So this first one right here, we have this in quarters. So cute. Love it. And then we've got some more quarter pages here. See how these could be used to create some really cute Christmas cards. Okay, now we have some half page patterns here. And then we have full page. And of course, you can tear these however you choose. You know, if you just want to use like this stripe in here, you could just cut that part out. Very, very cute. And then the plaid with the roses, the lace detailing. Okay, now I'm going to turn this around so that way we can now look at the flip side of what we just saw. So now we're starting with full pages and we're going into the quad pages of the designs. Very, very pretty. Love that. This one is so pretty. I love it. That's really pretty. They're all so just really pretty. I think creating like flaps too, like in your journals would be a really fun way to like use these different patterns, and then that way you can get the best of both sides of there. And these have got a lot of patterns too. So if you look at like this one here, for instance, it has like certain like more detail, and then on the back it's got more of like a solid pattern that just really coordinates with whatever's on the front. So that's why I'm saying you could create like cute little like flip books even with these. That would be a really cute way. Or like a little card. You could do a little card with this. That would be really cute too. All right, such a cute book. I love it. All right, so this one is available. And then this Christmas Love is their big deluxe sticker book for the season. And they're so pretty. I just love that. I did get this little freebie in my order. So that was really nice. I like that little freebie. Super cute. I will be doing some fun things with these books. I'll probably do like a mixture of using both of the books in one. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to think it out. For today, I really just wanted to get this out to you so that way you have time to think about what you want to pick up, make your little wish list. If you are in need of a Christmas planner, you want some beautiful like covers and dashboards to create a planner just for the month, then she has that being released along with these items. Now, I am an affiliate, so if you do decide to purchase anything, I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link, and you will find that down below in the description, along with a discount code that will save you 10%. Now, the discount, it does have some exceptions, and you will see that in the parentheses down below. And that way you can see all of the details there. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you like this flip through, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to be subscribed and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the videos that I put out. And drop me a comment down below. Which one is more intriguing to you? The Christmas Love or the Merry and Bright sticker journaling kit? I would love to hear your feedback. And if you watch this video all the way through till the end, leave me a candy cane emoji. I don't know if there's a candy cane emoji, but type in candy cane and see what comes up. Drop that in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.